Natural gas last week achieved higher highs as expected and predicted in my previous review that we may see in fact it moving towards 2.4. It has moved towards 2.38 but closed the week with a sharper drop and it has come back again towards 2.2, the critical support zone. Now what to expect from net gas in the coming week? Can we expect a reversal? Can we treat this as a reversal? Can we expect more bearishness, or it is going to continue with the reversal trend here and achieve higher highs? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading natural gas in the coming week? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review and I do share my daily updates on natural gas as well. In fact, twice a day, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. The subscribe and press the bell icon. Do like, share and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support. Do not miss to watch till the end where I am gonna give you the trading levels. So do watch till the end. Let's first, on the weekly chart, see it is still trading bearish. The moving averages are layered one over other. What has happened? If you look at if you trace the movement for net gas, it is definitely trading in this bearish channel. But suddenly you can see that it has delivered higher lows. It has started with higher lows and now looking upwards. So it appears that the lows for natural gas for the near future is done, and now $2 levels are going to remain a sacrosanct support, which it would not like to breach in the near future. That is my expectation. But we have to understand why it is so that I am looking forward to a very good support here at 2 and it should keep moving upwards. Now I will tell you that, but if you look at the current movement, what has happened, a gradual bearishness, then a bullish candle has appeared, though it has closed in red, but I expect that the coming candle could be a bigger bullish one. Yes, it could be bigger than this one, where if the price stays about 2.5 levels itself, you can just stay bullish about 2.25, expect it to move towards 2.4 and in fact 2.5 levels. Yes, if it starts to rise from the current levels, it is going to be a bigger bullish move, but I will wait for it to break beyond 2.4. That is going to be the first prime resistance on the upside. Right now, I can say it is not yet confirmed to be a stronger bullish breakout. Yes, it has bullishness, but I will not treat this as a breakout. Because see, looking at this candle, this could be a reversal candle as well, where the prices might crash. Stochastic is definitely oversold here, and whatever you can see this, whatever has happened for the last two times, it can repeat here, it can replicate here. See this? After this strong base, we have seen it recovering to the top here. Look at the on the MACD, look at the drop here, retracement, and since then it is just delivering waves. The strength of the wave is getting diminished. Now it is on the verge of a convergence and a crossover. A strong candle in the coming week will definitely lead it to a crossover. And now the crossing over will be a good indication that net gas is going to stay bullish for the near future. Thus, very, very important for net gas to break beyond 2.4, 2.36 zone. This is going to be a prime resistance zone for it to break past by, which will also confirm the bullish reversal. The RSI has dropped and now trading at a comfortable zone. Coming to on the daily charts, if you look at, see, there is a bearish cross and since then the price has traded bearish. What has happened after hitting the lows here, it has tried to reverse and see, it has moved towards the 1500 period moving zone, hitting the highs. You can see a reversal here. Now what we had seen on the weekly charts can get replicated here, or you can see what we are seeing on the daily charts can get replicated on the weekly charts, because see, similar candle was observed there on the weekly charts, and see what has happened. And that is why I say if you see it is staying below 2.15 in the coming week, the chances of it moving towards 2.2 will be very, very, rather $2 levels will be very high. This is on the daily charts. I am replicating this same scenario on the weekly charts. What we have happened here can happen there as well. But now coming back to the daily charts, what has happened? See, it was trading in this retracement channel. It has given a breakout. However, you can note that it is just taking the support from 2.2, which is a very, very good support. And in fact, let me include 2.1 and 2.11 levels also. These two levels on the downside are very critical for net gas now to break below. Because once it breaks below this, then you can expect that the chances of movement towards $2 levels will be high. Else what could happen, even if it moves toward 2.15 or 2.11 zone, the chances of reversal will be high and then you can expect it to move towards 2.4 and higher levels. So till 2.1, 2.11, I will not treat this as bearish. The chances of recovery will be high. Stochastic, if you look at stochastic dropping from the top, the MACD, if you see MACD here hitting the lows, it is still trading with divergence, looking upwards, showing bullishness here. And if you look at the formation double bottom here, higher highs, higher lows here, it could reach to higher highs or at least lower highs. It suggests that there is not much of room on the upside for natural gas. RSI has dropped a bit, coming to 4. Now, if you look at 4-hour charts, what has happened here? Yes, it is trading in this bullish zone. See, suddenly bullishness getting diminished, and then we have seen this reversal. Now, also notice that it's very, very strong support exists at 2.2. So, this 2.2 and 2.1513, or in fact 2.11 zone, is going to remain the next strongest support zone. And as long as net gas respects this, we should not be treating this as bearish. Because see what has happened here, after hitting the highs, it has shown the drop, retracement drop, and it is retracing. Now, it is still within the zone. And at any point of time in the coming week, if you see it is staying about first 2.25 and then 2.3 zone. If it breaks out, we can confirm that a reversal is on cards. You can also notice this on the 4-hour chart that the moving averages after the crossover are trading bullish and are trading with divergence from one another. So there is further possibility of a recovery. Also notice this, that this crossover is seen after months. You can see it is almost stayed there for 2 months on the 4-hour charts also on the sell side, and now it is looking bullish, so it can continue here for a while. RSI has also come to oversold zone with this drop, and thus chances of recovery exist. The MACD, if you look MACD on the 4-hour chart, see it is consistently delivering this higher lows, higher highs. See, whenever it hits the highs, it comes back to the lows. It hits the highs, it comes back to the lows. Current levels definitely a good support, and now chances of a reversal will be high. And as long as in fact it respects 2.15, 2.11, chances of a reversal will be very high here. RSI has dropped significantly. Let's have a look at the monthly. If you look at the monthly charts, drop, retracement, drop, retracement. Moving averages crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bearish on the monthly charts, prices delivering lower highs, lower lows, trading in this channel. Now, if you notice this, see the last to last month we have seen a reversal, and then it has erased all the gains for last month, and it has come back to the support zone. In fact, it has hit the lows here below 2. Now see, this support here at 1.8, 1.7 should not be taken. This has become the greatest support. If you also see this drop, retracement, higher highs, higher lows, so you can still notice this, that it is delivering higher highs and higher lows. So now if it breaks beyond 2. If not in this month, then the coming month, if it breaks beyond 2.5, we can say now it is on the path of a recovery. This is the first reversal candle, and then the series of stronger bullish candles will be seen from the current zone. We have to be watchful at the current level. This and the current week, this could be the reversal confirmation. Right now it is still staying in the zone. It is not confirming either bullishness or bearishness, but I can say it is not far away as well. The reversal is not far away. RSI stochastic looking down. Look at the MACD. See, MACD after net gas stayed here for a while, for almost 2 to 3 years. It has stayed on the sell side. Now at best it has tried to converge, and now this crossover, look at the, whenever it tries to converge, it gives a crossover here. Chances are high that we may see a, and for this it requires to have a stronger bullish candle this month, which suggests that in the next few sessions we can in fact see net gas moving towards 2.5 levels as well. So this is the first part to it, and thus a possibility of a reversal exists. RSI has dropped to the bottom, almost staying flat. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy such that you can all trade profitably and comfortably in the coming week. And before I provide you the trading levels, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, join my signals channel on Telegram, where we trade diverse instruments including gold, silver, oil, gas, and yes, we also trade the diverse instruments from across the globe. So do not miss this. Write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube. And yes, those who had asked me to recommend a broker which offers all the global instruments, which also offers a swap-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link there in the channel and video description. It offers you the lowest spreads if you join through the link. Do join it. Now let's talk about the levels. See, first let's look at the levels to buy here. 2.25 is the only level, and this is definitely critical resistance. I will recommend you to buy here. You can expect 2.275, 2.295 as the greater resistance here. This is going to be important. If it stays above this, chances of 2.32, 2.36 will be high, and a movement beyond this we can look forward to 2.4. Any movement in net gas above 2.4 is a clear sign that it is reversing. You can look forward to 2.5 levels. In between 2.45 is there, but I will largely be looking at 2.5 at the next milestone, and then beyond this 2.65 levels very very soon. If it can drop sharp, it can rise sharp. If not this month, the next month these levels will be there. If it stays about 2.3, 2.4 in the coming week, consider this as a bullish reversal. Else, right now it is showing signs of bearishness. But still, I will not treat this as bearish. And thus, where to, you can sell here at 2.2 levels, but wait for 2.18. This 2.2, 2.18 is the immediate support. Then 2.15, the next one, and then 2.11. Only and only if net gas breaks these two, you can say now it is turning bearish, and then you can look forward to 2.08, 2.02, 1.96, 1.9. I do not see this happening in any case. I do not see it breaking toward this. At best, or rather, I will say at worst, even if it has to drop, even if it is trading bearish, I think the levels till $2 levels are going to remain critical. So take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do all the daily updates. Subscribe to the channel. Press the bell icon. Like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend.